Alright guys, so we're here to replace the shocks on this 97 F-250. Shocks that are on it are probably the ones from factory. Let's see what we got in this box. It's the Skyjacker 19,000. Pivot bushings. There's your boot. There's your shock. Do not cut that until you're ready to install. Fancy sticker. And one zip tie for your boot. That's fun. Alright, let's get you removing this thing. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and build this one up. It comes in these little bags. Got that dowel pin, you got the bushing. I use this as lube. Sometimes the penetrating oils aren't too good for this plastic or whatever that is. Oh yeah. Hit that too. Perfect. Now on this top one, you're not going to need that dowel pin. Because of the shaft on your bolt takes place of that dowel pin. There you go. Alright, so I've already got it back jacked up over there. Both sides are 18mm. Let's see if we can get this thing off. That was easy. Maybe not that part. Let's see if I can't break something. Hey, look, there's a nut in there. Who would have knew? Hey, that thing's strutting. Ooh. I guess it's not that bad. A view of the top side. There we go. Nice nut. Oh yeah. Put you guys up in there too. I'm just pushing out on this side and on the bottom side wiggling. And looky there. Yeah, look what I found me, kids. $5 eBay, who wants it? Alright, so we've got the new shock. I just put that new bushing in with that new pin. Put the bushing in first. Lubricate it with soap or whatever. And then put that pin in. Try to put them in together, you won't get it. If you do, good for you, bud. Alright, about messed up anyways. put the bottom in first. Make sure it's properly torqued. Yep. This is going to be the fun part. Alright, so I've got to figure it out. I put my boot on. I'm just going to lower the truck just a hair, probably 2 inches, 3 inches. So I can stab this without having to cut this pre-real iron. Ooh, so close. Ooh, shit. I might be in a pickle. Let's see. Alright, so we got everything properly torched. Now we're just going to clean this up. You know, because everything else is clean. We're going to put that bad sticker on there, that way people know. Oh shit. Oh, there you go. Yep. Maybe I should have washed my hands on this whole cleaning part. There you go. That'll be good for another 6 million miles.